I made these Foundry Flasks a couple of years ago with these pins to make it more accurate when you go in, that they'll you know, keep it from shifting in case you're doing something kind of tall or deep or something. But the problem I'm having with them is they bind. So, like when I'm trying to close them, they bind. And then I realized the other day that I really only need a hole on one side, and if I make just a groove on one side, it should eliminate that problem. So that's what I'm going to do. So you can see I've got it mounted here in the mill, and I've just got to get the hole aligned, just roughly. That's pretty good right there. That should do it. Alright, let's try it. Now this was actually one of the easier ones before. See, now I've got that groove on this side, so I just line up the hole over here and then it just drops right in. Well, I guess I still have to be kind of careful. But some of these, especially like this one, it's kind of a deeper one, it was really giving me fits. And now it is. Let's see. I'll get this hole lined up. There. It's much easier now. So anyway, I think that's fixed my flask. In case you had watched the other one and wanted to make these, I just wanted to show you this improvement. Hope this is interesting to you. Thank you for watching.